going on, guys? My name is Avery. I'm from New Hampshire. I'm a musician. I've been playing drums for 15 plus years. I'm also a vocalist, also play guitar, as you can see. I'm here to talk to you about my journey with health anxiety and how coaching with my guy Trey has been going. Real quick, my first ever really severe panic attack happened when I was playing a show with my band. What had happened was we were in the middle of playing a song. I think it was the second set, halfway through the night. My heart rate just started spiking like crazy during this song. We're talking, at the time of me measuring it, we're talking 130, 140 BPM. That was really scary to me. I hadn't really, I'm sure my heart rate has increased while I was drumming before, obviously, because drumming is, it's a workout. But I hadn't experienced the chest pain and, the fight or flight, the dizziness, the blurry vision, the shakiness. Shakiness was the scariest part regarding everything. What ended up happening is I had to leave the show. I had left the show early. I had to leave my bandmates on stage. As you may know, having an anxiety attack while you're trying to put on a show for an audience it just can't happen. So anxiety stopped me from doing what I love to do, and that's play music for people. It sucks. But since then, I found Trey Jones on YouTube. My life has changed for the better. I started coaching with him in April. I went through some of the darkest times in my life before then, just wanting to stay in my bed, not wanting to leave anywhere. My work suffered, my music suffered, everything suffered. My mental health, my physical health, everything. Relationships, the whole 9 yards. I found Trey on YouTube, set up a coaching time with him, and he walked me through all the steps that I need to take in order to recover. And the key thing here is all the steps that I need to take. Trey can't just solve all your problems for you. He can tell you what you need to do, but you have to do them. And that's the big lesson that I'm taking from our coaching sessions that we've had. Because the past week or so, I was doing better after my first coaching call with Trey, but I relapsed. I started getting some really severe anxiety again. Really scared of my heart, really scared of the chest pain, really scared of the dizziness, especially with what's going on in the world right now. The stress and the anxiety, it doesn't help at all. But I relapsed, and it sucks. But it's okay. I called upon Trey. We just got off a phone call, and it was great. It's so powerful to put what's in your brain and what's on your chest into words. It helps tremendously. And I really hope and pray that anybody's watching this, if you haven't coached with Trey, please give it a shot. Please give it a shot. If you're struggling just like I was after my first panic attack, before I had Trey, I would lay in my bed all day and hide. You can't hide from what's going on. Your body and your brain is in fight or flight mode. You're trying to run away. As Trey told me, if you have a tiger chasing you, are you just gonna stand there and let the tiger come at you? You have to run from it. You have to take the steps necessary to get better. And that starts with coaching with Trey Jones. He's going to set you up with the routine. He's going to tell you everything you need to know. He's going to be there for you. He will listen to whatever you have to say.